Good morning, I'm Les Probert from Techniform, and today I want to talk to you about windows and doors. Windows and doors play a very important part in our houses and make a huge difference to the way we live our lives. And yet, how often do we think about windows and doors? They make up about a third of the exterior of the house, and how often do we actually change our windows and doors? Once we make the decision, we're stuck with it for a long time. So it's very important that we make the right decision. And just think about what we ask of our windows and doors. They have to act as security. They've got to let in light, they've got to frame views. They change the way we live our lives in terms of indoor-outdoor flow. So it's very important that right from the outset you choose the right windows. And we want to help you today to make the right choice when you're choosing the windows that best suit your home and your lifestyle. In Australia and New Zealand, aluminium is the frame of choice for windows and doors, and the reasons are manifold and very good reasons. Aluminium is very abundant, it's a recyclable material, and of course it's no maintenance. It means who enjoys painting windows and doors? The other big thing about aluminium, in our harsh southern light, it's UV stable. But aluminium has one big disadvantage. It's highly conductive. This means that in the winter, heat escapes from your home through the aluminium frame. In the summer, conversely, heat enters your home through the aluminium frame. We're going to show you today how to overcome that one and only disadvantage of building with aluminium windows and doors. The way to prevent the transfer of heat and cold inside and outside the frame is actually to insert a thermal barrier. This is a Techniform thermal strip, and the way this works is it sits between the inside and the outside of the window frame, so it breaks the frame. This prevents the transfer of energy from the exterior to the interior and vice versa. One of the other big things that the thermal break also allows you to do is to have a different colour on the inside frame of your window and on the outside frame of the window. In fact, you could even cover this with timber if you like the timber look in terms of windows. So it works extremely effectively. And this little demonstration here will show you just how effective our thermal break is in a window. In this simulation, we've got two examples of a window. On this side, a standard aluminium window, and on this side, a thermally broken window. Now look, in the outside temperature here, we've got 4.4 degrees, and look at the condensation and how cold it is. Have a look at the unbroken window, the standard window. The inside temperature, 4.9 degrees, and masses of condensation. Here, we have the thermally broken unit. The temperature is at ambient temperature, 19.3 degrees, and there's no condensation at all. When it comes to window design, the other important component is double glazing. In double glazing, very often, the separator between the two panels of glass is a simple aluminium strip. We've already heard how conductive aluminium is. So how do we overcome that problem? Because the issue with aluminium is you get a build-up of condensation around the edges of your window, another thing that you want to avoid. The Techniform thermal spacer is a patented product. It's a low-cost product, but it's designed to separate the two panels of glass. And it's made of two things, a polypropylene and stainless steel. Stainless steel and polypropylene combined have very, very low conductivity. This material, when used as your spacer, will vastly improve the performance of your glass unit. So to ensure that you get the best possible performance out of your windows, you need to look at the thermal spacer and the thermal break. When coupled together, give you the ultimate in high performance windows. This will ensure you enjoy a more healthy living environment. You'll enjoy your energy savings. You can still have nice big windows with all the advantages that brings in the way you live. And most importantly, this will ensure that you have year-round comfort in your home. So when you come to the windows, don't compromise. Make sure you ask for a thermally broken system.